In this video, we're taking a look at the 5 best drill sets for 2025. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these sets provide top-tier performance and versatility for all your drilling needs. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. Craftsman V20 Cordless Drill Kit. The Craftsman V20 Cordless Drill Kit is designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease and efficiency. Equipped with a high-performance motor, it delivers an impressive 280 unit watts out, making it perfect for both light and heavy-duty projects. One of the standout features of this drill is the 2-speed gearbox. With speeds of 0 to 350 and 0 to 15 revolutions per minute, it offers the versatility needed to adjust to different types of fastening applications. The 1 and 2-inch keyless chuck ensures quick and easy bit changes, saving you time on the job. For enhanced convenience, the drill comes with a built-in LED light. This makes it easier to work in low-light environments, ensuring you can tackle your tasks with precision, no matter the lighting conditions. The kit also includes a 20-volt max lithium battery, known for its high-performance cells, which provide extended runtime and increased power output. The battery charges in 60 minutes or less thanks to the efficient 20-volt max lithium charger included in the kit. Additionally, the drill is compatible with the VersaTrack hang hook, allowing you to keep your workspace organized and your tools easily accessible. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this drill provides peace of mind for all your DIY and professional projects. Number 4. Bosch GSR 120 Wireless Electric Drill. The Bosch GSR 120 Wireless Electric Drill offers versatile functionality for a wide range of tasks. It features both forward and reverse rotation, allowing you to easily switch between directions for driving and removing screws. With 20 torque settings, the drill provides a maximum torque of 30 Nm in hard mode and 14 Nm in soft mode, preventing over-tightening and damage to your materials. This makes it suitable for both delicate and tough tasks. For enhanced visibility in dimly lit environments, the drill comes equipped with an LED light, improving your work conditions. Additionally, it has a 2-speed mechanical gear adjustment. The first gear ranges from 0 to 400 revolutions per minute, ideal for screw tightening, and the second gear ranges from 0 to 15 revolutions per minute, perfect for drilling. The Bosch GSR 120 Li also includes several safety features, such as ECP battery protection. This technology monitors the current, voltage, temperature, leakage, and prevents overcharging or over-discharging, ensuring the battery's longevity and safety. The drill's ergonomic handle, coated with rubber, offers a comfortable grip for long use, while the dual-mode system allows you to easily switch between screwdriver and drilling modes for different tasks. Its maximum screw diameter capacity is 8 mm, with a chuck clamping range from 1 mm to 10 mm. Number 3. Dewalt DC-D703 Cordless Drill. The Dewalt DC-D70312V Brushless Cordless 5-in-1 drill offers unmatched versatility for a wide range of tasks. This compact and lightweight tool is designed to access tight spaces with ease, thanks to its 4 dedicated attachment solutions. The 1 and 4-inch hex right-angle attachment allows you to drill and fasten in confined spaces, while the 1 and 4-inch hex quick-release offset accessory is perfect for accessing challenging corners. You can easily load bits with one hand using the 1 and 4-inch hex quick-release add-on. For precision applications like drilling small pilot holes, the 3 and 8-inch ratcheting chuck attachment provides great control. Additionally, a built-in 1 or 4-inch hex magnetic bit holder keeps your bits within reach at all times. Weighing just 0.7 kilograms without the battery or attachments, the Dewalt DC-703 is incredibly maneuverable and user-friendly. It features a high-speed transmission with two speed settings ranging from 0 to 425 RPM and 0 to 15 revolutions per minute, along with 15 clutch settings to offer excellent control for various projects. The brushless motor delivers professional-grade performance, providing up to 250 unit-watts out, optimizing both runtime and power efficiency. For those working in dimly lit spaces, the built-in LED footlight brightens your workspace, allowing you to see clearly in any environment. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 FDD3 Drill. The Milwaukee M18 FDD3 drill driver is designed to provide exceptional power and versatility in a compact, easy-to-handle package. At just 6.9 inches in length, it allows for access into tight spaces, reducing fatigue during extended use. Equipped with the PowerState brushless motor, this drill driver delivers the power needed to tackle a wide range of applications. It provides the fastest drilling and driving performance under load, ensuring efficiency on any job site. With 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, the M18 FDD3 handles tough tasks with ease. The mechanical clutch ensures consistent performance when driving a wide range of fasteners, giving you the control you need. One standout feature is the auto stop control mode, which enhances safety by protecting the tool from over-rotation during a bind-up. The tool also has a dedicated auto stop light on its foot to indicate when protection is activated, preventing potential damage. For durability, the M18 FDD3 features a 1 and 2 inch all-metal chuck with carbide teeth, offering maximum grip and bit retention. The all-metal gear case and belt clip further enhance its toughness and portability. Additionally, the LED light improves visibility in low-light conditions, making it easier to work in dark environments. With unmatched runtime when paired with the X5.0 Ah batteries, this drill driver ensures that you get the job done efficiently and reliably. Number 1. Dewalt DC-D805 Max Cordless Hammer Drill. The Dewalt DC-D80520 V Max brushless, cordless hammer drill offers incredible power and versatility for tackling tough projects. With up to 40% more unit watts out compared to the DCD796BE, this hammer drill is equipped to handle even the most demanding tasks, especially when paired with the Dewalt DCB205 battery or the Dewalt PowerStack battery. This drill features a compact design measuring just 7 inches, making it 1 and 2 inch shorter than the DCD796 for better access to hard-to-reach areas. The 1 and 2 inch metal ratcheting chuck provides superior bit retention, ensuring secure and consistent performance. With a high-speed transmission and 2 speed settings ranging from 0 to 650 RPM and 0 to 2000 RPM, you'll have excellent control over your drilling and fastening tasks. The variable trigger further enhances speed and precision, allowing you to adjust the power to suit your specific application. To help you work in low-light conditions, the DCD805 is equipped with a pivoting LED light, offering 70 lumens of brightness and 3 adjustable modes. The Spotlight mode even features a 20-minute shoot-off function for extended working time. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or masonry, the Dewalt DCD805 provides the power, speed, and control needed to get the job done efficiently. There you have it, the best drill sets for 2025. Each set offers durability and precision to make your projects easier and more efficient. Which one is your go-to choose? Let us know in the comments.